Hey everyone, it's Halo here, and this is my scar cut wound sort of makeup tutorial. Just going to keep this one quick and short today so that it is a last minute tutorial. So to start off with, what I'm doing is I am applying some deep mellow body paint with some water. You could obviously use blush or powders, eyeshadow, that sort of thing if you wanted. You could also use red body paint and blending it into my skin tone to create the irritation that would occur from an actual wound. And then I'm going in with a brush next with less water and the deep mellow body paint again to kind of flesh out how I want the scars to look and exactly where they will be placed. And you can use this method for almost any type of scar wound type as well. It doesn't have to be just the straight lines like this one here, it's a more open wound. I do have some other ones that I did across my face and my chest that I did in X marks. It really just depends on what circumstances it was and how the wound was created to what sort of wound you'll get from it. After all the base tone of the wound is painted on, I'm going in with some rose brown body paint and I'm applying it to one side of the scar only, just where the shadow sort of area would be in the wound itself. It makes it look a little bit more 3D as well and gives a little more dimension to it and more believability. And on this more open wound, I decided it would kind of have a shadow on both sides, seeing as like a light will be coming directly above it or over it, so it's just shaded on both sides.